The walled city of Ahmedabad, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was once dotted with pols, traditional houses with courtyards. Many of these houses fell victim to the advancement of development and are now a rare sight. The Kantam Farmhouse is inspired by the pole. The owner bought a 65,000 square foot plot of land on the outskirts of Ahmedabad and decided to build a retreat for his family. He approached Squalette design with a well-defined brief. His family's business is still based in the walled city of Ahmedabad, and he has an affection for the pole houses he sees there. So the architects decided to recreate the key virtues of pole architecture, but in a contemporary style. The design response is a discreet 4,000 square foot structure tailored to the beautiful site. The house was placed on the highest contour of the land, so it can connect to the surroundings. Furthermore, the height of the structure was limited to one floor, and all the main spaces of the house were planned around a central courtyard. The 3 bedrooms, an interactive space, a meditation room, the kitchen, and the dining area are connected to the central courtyard, similar to the vernacular architecture of the poles. This allows the breeze to pass through the house and alleviate the heat, keeping the interiors fresh and airy, even in the Ahmedabad summer. Apart from the central courtyard, the beauty of incorporating the pole house ethos lies in the way the spaces unfold, nature-oriented rather than confined. The interiors feature elements salvaged from an older home, belonging to the client and from pole houses. They were refurbished to create furniture, lighting fixtures, and decorative pieces, with the design team carefully preserving the patterns and patina. Some pieces were given a varnish finish or refurbished with unique veneers. This beautiful wall panel was painted with an antique varnish to match the coffee table in the living room. The green pillar was found in a pole house and used here as a decorative element. The living room connects to the courtyard at one end and to the deck at the other. The sofas and chairs were custom made by Squalette Design. The coffee table is an old chest that was repainted. Although the site is located in an urban sprawl, it is surrounded by verdant topography. The surrounding gardens were designed with the climate in mind. The chosen plants are native to the area and can flourish in all seasons. Larger trees were strategically planted throughout the site, making the outdoors pleasant and comfortable for a variety of activities throughout the year. To reduce the carbon footprint, construction materials were carefully chosen. The walls are locally made bricks coated with textured lime, a traditional principle that reduces temperature. The ceiling has insulated steel ISMB sections, while the roof has corrugated sheets with solar panels. In the main bedroom, the headboard design uses layers of stone framed in wood. Belonging to the eldest son, the ceiling of this room was designed from reclaimed old deck boards. The highlight of this room is the bed headboard, crafted from old balustrades and doors. The architects succeed in creating an oasis of luxury and tranquility, using a design language that promises timelessness and yet offers ample opportunity for growth.